Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Richard today. Today we're going to be checking out and cleaning our throttle body. To do that, we want to get rid of this whole top end piece right here, because by getting it out of the way, we can properly inspect our throttle body. First thing you want to do is slide this clip back. Slide that, pinch, wiggle, that comes off. We're going to take care of, well, I didn't even have to, but all you do is you pull up and that Christmas tree comes out of the way. Right here, this one should be just a pinch. We'll see if it's on this side. So see this little thing right here? You have to push it down. And what it does is it comes over onto this side. And we should be able to remove it. We'll see again in 1 second. See how it's like that? And then pull out. So again, pull this green all the way to the other side and pull out. After that's done, we want to come over here and release the top end of our box. You're going to have this clip right here. Pull. One more clip right here, and pull, and it's free. Now that we have that, we might as well get rid of this last clip. This is probably going to be an 8mm, yeah. Go ahead, take this just out like that. Wiggle, and take out this whole top end. Put it off to the side. Look at this. So this is your butterfly plate. This adjusts your idle and everything. So if you're having nasty idle, other things, one is of course check your fuel filter. We found that out. And the second part is, see this carbon buildup? If you look right here, look at this. That's all carbon and it's gonna block off your plate. So we wanna open this up and we're gonna scrub this out. Now I'm gonna show you how to do that. First thing I need is a couple things though. If I look in there, you can see there is lots of carbon buildup. It's kind of hard to see right now. I'll try to get my fingers out of the way when I show you this. But two things you're going to want is a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, or a brand new toothbrush so you don't have any toothpaste on it. And what we want is some throttle body cleaner. We're going to spray it in there and then we're going to scrub this up with a toothbrush. So we're going to be using some throttle body cleaner, throttle body and air filter intake cleaner. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and click on that throttle body again, see if we can get it to focus. Perfect. And then go ahead and shoot a little bit in there. Look at that. Look at all that so far. Now, you can just simply spray this, but I'm the kind of guy that likes to flip this up, go in here with a toothbrush, and I like to completely scrub it up, and I'm gonna shoot more throttle body cleaner in there. But the first thing you wanna do is this, and if you want to, go ahead, grab a rag and clean it up with a clean flow rag and try and keep as much of that out of the engine as you can. If some goes in there, it's fine. It's all carbon, it's been in the motor before, but if you can keep it out of there, it's a good day. So I'm gonna jam my toothbrush in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab myself a rag. Make sure too that you shoot up. I got a lot of it, but see, there's always going to be more. If you don't want it spilling out on your motor, just go ahead and do that. But that plate's already looking much better. And again, all we want to do is go ahead, wipe this up, flip this up. The best way to get the top of it, flip it like that, shove it in, and wipe the top end. Make sure you rub the plate. And again, if the carbon is not coming up easy, because it's just so caked on, use the toothbrush. The toothbrush is the best method for doing it. It's gonna be very fine bristled, especially if you're using a soft one. It's not gonna scorp your throttle body, and it's going to help polish it out. And now that I've cleaned that, I've gone ahead, I've come here. I can go ahead and clean the back of that plate and pull it out. Look at that. This is the second rag. So it goes to show you can get a lot of carbon up and in here. And again, this will clean out everything. All right. I think that's looking a little better. So if we want, we'll go down here, zoom in so you can take one. Look how shiny that is. See See how that plate is now more of a brassy color? There's no black left. That's a really good sign. The carbon's gone. So if you're looking inside that throttle body, see those little shiny metal plates? I hit those with the toothbrush there and clean those up. It's gonna be hard for this camera to focus in there because there's so much going on, but you can at least see the shiny plates on the camera right there. So make sure you get in there and scrub those with a toothbrush. We're gonna come back in, slide this bad boy on, make sure that we clear everything again. Make sure these 3 teeth right here line up. And then I'm just gonna zoom you guys up. Lock that in. Lock that in. Slide that on, noticeable click. And then, where did I put it? There it is. Put this harness back on. Fully locked, as you can see, and then safety. All right. When you start it, it might be noticeably like you'll have a rough start. There you go. We're gonna give it a second, and it's gonna burn off all that throttle body cleaner, if any got inside the motor. But my gosh, will it purr afterwards. You'll hear it idle down. It's gonna figure a few things out because it's actually gonna have better airflow. If you have the software to do so, you can do a throttle body recalibration. But if not, just go ahead and enjoy your clean throttle plate. Thanks again for watching. If there's a like and help you out, and subscribe for more.